It's almost done. Isn't it neat? It's an awesome print. Look at the detail. It's amazing. It's so much better than the Ender. This bamboo I am in love with. If I ever decide to get another one, I'm buying another one of these. Look at the pretty detail. Well, this is almost done, and as soon as it is, then I'll do a small video and add it to this. Look at that. And it's finished. Look at that. All right. Back up a little bit. I'm going to take it off. Look how it just snapped off. Look. There's a little spot, but that is awesome. All right. I'm going to blow it. It blows. That's kind of cool. Look at that. And it's got a place where you can actually put a string through it. That is, looks like stairs. Look at it. Look at the detail. Wow. Very pretty. Okay, well, there's another project with my new printer.